a 7-day no-sugar meal plan. Boost your health and energy. In today's world, excessive sugar consumption has become a major concern, contributing to various health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Cutting down on sugar can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. To help you kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, here's a comprehensive 7-day no-sugar meal plan packed with delicious and nutritious recipes. Day 1. Breakfast. Start your day with a refreshing green smoothie made with spinach, kale, cucumber, celery, and a splash of almond milk. Lunch. Enjoy a vibrant salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, avocado, and grilled chicken breast, drizzled with olive oil and lemon juice. Dinner. Dig into a hearty vegetable stir-fry with tofu or tempeh, loaded with colorful veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, seasoned with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Day 2. Breakfast. Fuel up with overnight oats made with rolled oats, chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, and topped with fresh berries and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Lunch. Delight in a quinoa salad bowl with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, avocado, and a squeeze of lime juice. Dinner. Indulge in baked salmon seasoned with herbs and lemon, served alongside roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Day 3. Breakfast. Enjoy a protein-packed omelet filled with sautéed spinach, mushrooms, onions, and diced tomatoes. Lunch. Relish a hearty vegetable soup loaded with nutrient-rich ingredients like carrots, celery, kale, lentils, and spices. Dinner. Savor grilled shrimp skewers marinated in garlic and herbs, accompanied by quinoa pilaf and roasted asparagus. Day 4. Breakfast. Delight in a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with sliced almonds, coconut flakes, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lunch. Dive into a Mediterranean-inspired salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, olives, feta cheese, and grilled chicken, drizzled with balsamic vinaigrette. Dinner. Enjoy a comforting bowl of turkey chili loaded with lean ground turkey, tomatoes, kidney beans, bell peppers, and spices. Day 5. Breakfast. Start your day with a colorful fruit salad featuring a variety of fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and pineapple. Lunch. Treat yourself to a wrap filled with hummus, sliced turkey, avocado, lettuce, and cucumber. Dinner. Indulge in a vegetarian zucchini lasagna made with layers of zucchini slices, marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, and spinach, topped with mozzarella and baked to perfection. Day 6. Breakfast. Whip up a batch of banana pancakes made with mashed bananas, eggs, and a touch of cinnamon, served with a side of mixed berries. Lunch. Enjoy a tuna salad made with canned tuna, Greek yogurt, diced celery, red onion, and dill, served on whole grain bread with lettuce and tomato. Dinner. Relish grilled chicken breast with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, seasoned with garlic and rosemary. Day 7. Breakfast. Treat yourself to avocado toast on whole grain bread, topped with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Lunch. Delight in a Buddha bowl with quinoa, roasted chickpeas, roasted sweet potatoes, steamed kale, and tahini dressing. Dinner. Enjoy a cozy bowl of vegetable curry with cauliflower, carrots, potatoes, peas, and spinach, served with brown rice. By following this 7-day no-sugar meal plan, you can nourish your body with wholesome, nutritious foods while reducing your sugar intake. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. With dedication and commitment, you can embark on a journey towards better health and vitality.